Namaskar and good evening. Now the Q4 result season has started reasonably well despite the problems faced due to corona lockdown during especially this Q4. Now, let me take Tata Consultancy Services, that is TCS results first. We'll take up the Q4 results. Now we'll also get the annual results. And now TCS has fared reasonably well. Not like the earlier years. March had some problems, it seems. But they say that the problems will be more in the coming quarters. So let us see anyway how it has happened. Net sales in Q4 are 33,222 crores. 33,222 crores. Now, in the previous quarter, it was 33,040 crores. In the Q4 of last year, it was 32,046 crores. 33,222 now, 32,046 in Q4 last year. So, year on year, the growth is 3.67%. And quarter on quarter, there is a small growth of 0.55%. Now, profit before tax is 10,351 crores in Q4 this year against 9,774 crores in the previous quarter and 10,223 crores in Q4 of last year. So there is a 1.25% growth in year on year and 5.9% quarter on quarter. Some growth is there. Not very impressive growth, I would say, but okay, considering the problems. The net profit is 8,227 crores in Q4 of this year, 7,683 crores in Q3, that is previous quarter, and 7,823 crores in Q4 of last year. So there is a 5.16% growth year on year and 7.08% growth quarter on quarter. Net sales have grown 3.67% year on year. Net profit has grown 5.16% year on year. Equity is static at 375 crores. Basic EPS in this quarter is 21.92. The rate of growth is similar like net profit. Market price is around 1,807. Price earning is a moderate 20.60. Now, TCS says it expects the peak of coronavirus impact in Q2, not even in Q1. Q1 is going on now. Unless something very miraculous, very positive happens, which puts an end to coronavirus in the Q1 itself. So they are not having any layoffs, but they are deferring salary hike. The total contract value now is 8.9 billion US dollars. Market cap is 6,77,980 crores. It is probably number 1 or 2. Reliance is probably number 1 now. It goes on switching between these two. Price earning 20.6. It's fairly reasonable for a company like TCS. Book value is 210. Industry price earning is 17.7. EPS is 87. That is trailing 12 months EPS is 87.56. Price to book is 8.59. Face value of the share is rupees 1. So fairly good numbers. The technical rating you will find moving. The technical rating is almost neutral now because of the current situation. Moving average is neutral. Technical indicators are bullish. So, for the year ending March 2020, now year also has ended, therefore TCS has declared an equity dividend of 7,300% on rupees 1 face value, that is 73 rupees per share. So, current price is 1,806, so dividend yield is 4.04. Now, let us take a small look at the annual results also. The revenue is 1,46,463 crores for the year. For the previous year, 1,46,463 crores for year ending 2019. Now it is slightly more, 1,56,949. I repeat again, last year 1,46,000, now 1,57,000. Cost of revenue is 85,000 crores last year, 92,000 crores now. Now, after income taxes, income tax is 10,001 crores last year. This year, 9,801 crores. And net income is 31,472 crores last year, 32,340 crores this year. A small increase is there. Earnings per share last year was 83.05 rupees. Now 86.19 rupees. TCS has closed this year with very strong deal wins. It augurs long-term resilience amid near-term challenges. Now, the full year growth has been led by life sciences and healthcare 16.8%, Europe 14.6%, UK 10.4%. So, robust client additions are there. 100 million band 49 companies, 50 million band 105 companies, 20 million band 240 companies. Employees, net addition is 24,179 employees. Employee headcount now is 4,48,464. One of the big employers. Free cash flow is 32,000 crores. Reasonably good dividend always. Now, the CMD has been very circumspect. He has told, amidst the tumult of the last few weeks, we know, coronavirus, our priority was to safeguard the health and well-being of our employees, first priority, while continuing to support our customers' mission critical activities globally. So, TCS has achieved both the ends in Q4. So, Q4 there has not been much a problem. Now, revenues have in the various industries, healthcare, etc. have grown, manufacturing has grown, retail has grown, technology and service has grown, BFSI has come down. Markets, Europe has grown 11.9%, UK has grown 5.4%, Latin America has grown 3.9%, Asia Pacific has grown 3.5%, North America has grown just 0.2%, while within India, declined by 1.9%. So this is TCS results. Now, I wish, I hope that coronavirus should be defeated within the next 20-21 days. See, it is a battle between the humanity and the coronavirus worldwide, between India and coronavirus within India. India can win, but a section of the people are not cooperating. We are seeing, I am not going to mention all those things, but if that one section cooperates, India will win. They are not understanding that it is first their own selves who will be in problem, and then their wives, children and friends and families, and then others, and then the country. After a long time, I heard a Muslim leader speak wonderfully, Salman Khan. His latest speech I heard, he has advised Muslims to exercise their intellect rather than these base emotions to which they have subjected themselves. Look at what is happening around the world. Take sound decisions, logical decisions, something like that he has told. I salute him for saying that other leaders also should come forward like that and tell people to exercise their intellect rather than go by suspicions, emotions, all those things. It is destroying them worldwide. See, wherever religion is prominent, there, it is getting destroyed. And USA is a different thing. They have taken decisions very late. India has taken wonderful decisions. But still, there are problems, means because some section of people are not cooperating fully. If they cooperate fully, we win within these 21 days. Our whole attention should be to make them cooperate, make all the people to cooperate and assure, see, this quarantine is like a holiday, and ensure that the hospitals are managed like that. The food is reasonably good, not what they are expecting, etc., but reasonably good, etc. Now, if this much is done, quarantine is for recuperating, for becoming well, for ensuring that the families do not suffer, your friends do not suffer, etc. That much should be understood. If that same advice sinks into their heads, India will win. India should win. That's what I would like to say. I'll be back with you with many more good results, bad results, moderate results, etc. during this period. We will also talk about corona. So we need to talk about it periodically. The government has come up with wonderful things, and some wonderful people have said wonderful things elsewhere. I have made 2 videos, but in Tamil. Let us see. See, we need to take stock of all those things. We have to safeguard. See, you are investor second, you are human being first. You must safeguard yourself, your children, your spouse, your family, friends, etc. first. I wish you all the best. We'll meet again. Thank you.